The fear of missing out is a daily enemy for many traders. You're watching a pair and all of a sudden price explodes. What do? Do you get into a trade because you fear that price might run away? Are you worried you're going to miss the opportunity? The last thing you want to do is chase price and watch it turn against you. So this week we're going to look at a few pairs that have had similar setups and look at how to plan your entry. First up is gold. If you saw our weekly analysis a few weeks back, we analysed gold and this move here. This is the gold chart today and this pair has simply exploded higher. We're not looking to chase this pair here as price goes back and forth. So let's take a look at the trade plan. Looking for price to come back to an entry point, and the first place we're looking is a pullback to this area here, former resistance turned support. If price continues to climb to the next level of resistance, then using areas of former support and resistance, like here, we will wait for a deeper pullback to this area here. Another pair that's exploded into action this week is EURNZD. Euro suffered at the beginning of the week on concerns surrounding Italy's budget and political tensions in the euro area, whilst the NZD benefited from rising consumer inflation data at the beginning of the week. This pair has been in an uptrend since early 2017, and this week saw the pair drop significantly after making this high, which is also a triple top on a weekly. It also broke below this support, looking to target the next level of support in this area. Now if this pair is really going to go short, then ideally we would like to price to revisit this support and resistance area. However, the 175.80 area is also an area of support and resistance, and a meaningful pullback to around that area could see this pair drop again to the 172 handle before we plan our next trade on this pair. We've also been watching the euro pound, which has simply been choppy recently with all the ongoing problems in the eurozone and Brexit developments. Back in July, it looked like this pair was finally finding some direction when it broke out this channel. Last month we saw support being tested again, and once again it held. However, this month this pair is back in its long-term channel again. If the channel holds, then we want to see price stay around this resistance area here, with a bearish candle before looking for a short on this pair, targeting the lower end of this channel. Alternatively, any break above this resistance and we're back in a battle between bulls and bears again before direction is found. This chart here is a pound CAD. This pair has spent most of this year in this downtrend, following this descending channel. At the start of the month, we saw the first clue that this pair might be ready to finish the year on a bullish note, with this double bottom here, followed by this bullish break out of the channel. The pair is currently consolidating that resistance turn support, and a strong start for the plan next week could see this pair test the next level of resistance at a 175 level. Finally this week, we're watching Ripple. Last month this pair exploded, and you can bet many traders jumped in a reaction to this, expecting the next big rise, but now sitting in this trade at a loss, hoping it goes back up again. For those of you that didn't chase price, let's look at a potential trade plan. This pair has made its double bottom here and broke through this resistance area. Price has fallen back to this resistance now turned support area here, making this potential higher low. What we would like to see is price stabilise here before finding buys again, looking for long opportunities targeting the next level of resistance. We trade all our entries in just 10 minutes a day. To get access to all of our trade setups, visit our website or download our mobile app from your app store today to start making money from trading.